Today we're gonna make a jungle bird. I'm really interested to see how this one tastes. I've never had one. And this has Campari in it, which is not typical to have that like really bitter aspect in a more tropical drink. So I'm excited to see how that tastes. Also, I bought a pineapple for the first time ever in my life, so that's cool. I'm an adult. To make a jungle bird, you need 1.5 ounces of dark rum, 3/4 ounce of Campari, 1/2 ounce of demerara syrup, 1/2 ounce of fresh pineapple juice and pineapple chunks for garnish, 1/2 ounce of fresh lime juice, and a cherry for garnish. You can totally use simple syrup if you want to as well. I just found a recipe that had demerara and that sounded really good. And you can also totally make this at home, but I haven't found a good place nearby to get demerara sugar from. In a cocktail shaker filled with ice, add the rum, pineapple juice, Campari, lime juice, and syrup. Shake and strain into a glass filled with ice. Garnish with a pineapple wedge, a cherry, and pineapple leaves. Here is our jungle bird. I used a really dark rum. You don't have to use a rum that dark. I don't think that's typical for this drink. Actually, most of the ones I've seen are a lot lighter than this, but it's the rum that I had, so it's the rum that I used. Let's see how it tastes. Ooh, that's really good. It's very intense with the dark rum, but I'm not mad about it. That's really good. You can taste all the sweetness, but the Campari balances it really nicely. If you enjoyed learning how to make a jungle bird, don't forget to give this video a like. I'll see you guys later for more cocktail recipes. Thanks for watching. Doing? Why do I feel like I'm crooked? Yum, 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 yum. Or I give up.